The favorite, Dapit Hapon. And the race is on. Dapit Hapon from the outside. Go, Snake go. Snake go in between runners. Alongside Dugus Sprite rushing up by the rest. Dugus Paramore. Dapit Hapon, Dugus Paramore. Go, Snake go, Snake go. Dugus Sprite is racing in fourth from the outside. It's Dugus Paramore. Dapit Hapon. Go, Snake go, Snake go. Alongside Dugus Sprite running down on the inside. Shuttler's Treasure Bonjour. And inside the last 700, Dugus Paramore, Dapit Hapon. Go, Snake go, Snake go is running in third. Dugus Sprite racing in fourth. And rounding the far turn, Dapit Hapon by about 2 lines, followed by Dugus Paramore. Go, Snake go, Snake go in between runners. Dugus Sprite, Shuttler's Treasure as they swing for home. It's still Dapit Hapon by about 3 lengths now, followed by Dugus Sprite on the outside. Go, Snake go, Snake go in third. Dapit Hapon, Dugus Sprite on the outside. Dapit Hapon, Dugus Sprite moves up to take the lead. And finally, Dugus Sprite, Dapit Hapon, close. Bonjour, Shuttler's Treasure. Go, Snake